Hey there, it's Julia here from violinspiration.com, and today I'm going to share with you an easy trick to eliminate bad sounds on the violin. It can be so frustrating, especially if you've been practicing for a while and still hear these bad sounds coming from your violin, like that or that. And I don't want to bother you anymore with any more bad sounds. Now there's an easy trick that helps most of my students to eliminate most of their bad sounds in a matter of seconds. And that is what I want to share with you today. So the trick is just something really easy, which was really helpful to me personally too. And that is, you know probably that you have to bow parallel to the bridge. But it is very hard to see if you are actually bowing parallel to the bridge if you're not standing in front of a mirror. And not everybody always has a mirror at his or her side. So that's where this easy trick comes in. You just have a look at your violin when you're playing, and you have a look at where the bow hair is touching the string. You need to be sure that your bow hair is touching the string in the middle, exactly between the fingerboard and the bridge. Now, if you become better at playing the violin, you want to be able to play at all places, so also close to the fingerboard and close to the bridge. But for now, let's stay in the middle, because it's most important in the beginning that you just get a beautiful, clear sound. So now you're looking at your violin, and you try to play only in the middle. And each time you see your bow moving away from the middle, make sure to move it back to the middle again. And you will notice if you will really be able to play in the middle between the fingerboard and the bridge, your tone will become much better. Now I will show you an example. So if I wouldn't have a look at the middle, maybe my bow would be moving around. Do you hear how this sound is? It doesn't sound very good, right? If you're moving back and forth. Now if I try to focus on staying in the middle, the sound directly becomes so much better. So I want you to try this yourself with one of your songs that you were struggling with. And let me know in the comments if this little trick helped you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if this tip was helpful for you. And if you didn't do so yet, please subscribe to this channel, because I'm sharing more violin inspiration, violin tutorials and motivation to practice each week on this channel. So if you're interested in mastering the violin and becoming really good at it and sticking with it for a long time, I highly recommend to subscribe to the channel to get motivation to practice every week, because you need to practice for years in order to become good at it. But to practice this week is taking the first step. So make sure to, right after this video, start practicing and enjoy your practice session. Goodbye!